How to change YouTube views from lakhs to millions. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the source icon. Now simply tap on source bar and type YouTube. Now tap on YouTube and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile. Now tap on settings at the top right corner. Now on this page, simply tap on General. Now on this page, search for app language. You can find it under Appearance. Simply tap on it. Now scroll down. Now find English. Now select the English language. Now restart application. Now restart YouTube. Now I hope this should fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.